Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Nostalgia from Inside Out 2. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the glasses. We'll start with a curve across. And then a smaller one underneath. Now from the top line, let's curve it out and up on both sides. Now for the ends, let's curve it down slightly. And then a curve underneath on both sides to close off the glasses. Now inside, let's add a border. Now inside the glasses, let's draw the eyes by drawing an upside down curve. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with two lines in the middle. Now let's curve it down from the top and the bottom, meeting at a point. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve across. And then curve it up on both ends. And now let's add a U-shaped curve underneath. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start by drawing a curve across on top. Now from both ends, let's curve it down. And then a large curve underneath for the chin. Lastly, for the face, let's add the strings on the glasses. Let's start underneath and let's draw a line down. And then a circle underneath. Now let's draw another line again, and another circle. And now let's work our way down in the same way. But we're going to curve it outwards. Now at the bottom, let's draw a curve out and up. And then continue the same thing going back up to the face. And when you're done, it should end up looking like this. Next, let's hop back up and let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and bring it in. And the same on the other side. Now let's connect it at the top with a wavy line across. Now inside from the bottom, let's draw some curved lines up. Next, let's hop to the sides and we're going to draw a large curve out and back in. Now top underneath and let's draw another curve down and back in. And then inside these sections, let's draw some curves again, starting from the inside. Now to finish off the hair, let's move back up and let's draw a large curve across the top. And again, some curved lines inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath in the center and we're going to draw a curve across for the top of the teacup. And then another curve underneath. Now before we finish the teacup, let's add the hands. Underneath both sides, let's draw a curve going down. Then from the top, let's curve it out. And then one more curve to close off each hand. Now inside, let's add 3 curves for the fingers. Now that we're done the hands, let's move back in and let's finish drawing the teacup. Let's start with a curve for the bottom. And then we're going to draw a small flower inside. And that's it for the teacup. Now let's move back out and let's draw the arms. Let's start by drawing a small angle down and out. Now let's move underneath the hand and we're going to draw a bent line like this. Then a large curve across the end. Now to finish off the arms, let's hop back up under the hair and let's draw a curve down. Now to finish off the shirt, let's hop underneath the arms here and let's draw a wavy line across. And that's it for the upper body. Now underneath, let's draw the skirt. Underneath the elbows, let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then a line across the bottom. Now underneath for the legs, let's draw a small line down in the center. And then 2 shorter lines on the sides. Now underneath, let's add the feet. Let's start from the center and let's draw a curve up and out on both sides. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a curve. And that's it for nostalgia. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!